Welcome, today I've heard of me Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 5G, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first, let's open the settings the Play Store application, and here in the search bar we should enter green Apple keyboard, and now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open the app and click to enable in settings. Then near the green Apple keyboard, click once on the switcher, tap to OK twice and go back to the application. Then click to the switch input methods and switch your currently keyboard to the green Apple keyboard. Now the process is finished, and let's go, for example, to the app search to see the new look of our device keyboard, and we can see that this keyboard is so close to the iPhone 1 as they love the emojis. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.